Boost your sex appeal. Sex appeal is a mix of traits that make someone attractive. It includes both physical and non-physical aspects. Anyone at any age can develop this allure. There's no single valid beauty ideal in the world. Everyone has their own charm. Looks matter to a point, but when it comes down to it, personality is what really draws others in. Let's erase all the negative info, views, and interpretations you have about yourself, your looks, smarts, character, and traits. We're wiping out how you see yourself and how others see you, whether you know it or not. We're erasing every time you were told or told yourself, verbally or not, that you weren't good looking, adequate, or attractive enough. We're clearing away all the shame you felt about your appearance, who you are, how you talk, or where you live. We're zeroing it out 100% for all time with all its built-up effects. Nothing kills your appeal more than being ashamed of yourself and what's yours. We'll break down emotions, feelings, and reactions individually with all possible combos. We're erasing the built-up effects of emotional instability and lack of emotional autonomy. Let's tackle emotional self-unawareness and disconnection from our feelings. We'll clear out traces from this life and others, as emotionally stable people are naturally attractive. Let's boost your confidence to recall, feel, and convey the energy of all your achievements. Focus on what you do well, your successes, abilities, and qualities that make you proud. Be 100% strong with infinite potential all the time. Reframe your past, face challenges head on, and leave behind victimhood, complaints, and criticism. These only diminish your appeal. Stay strong with endless potential and time. Use the right tone at the right time with the right people. Make this a habit. Strengthen your gaze to convey security, certainty, and self-confidence. Align your gestures with your emotions, desires, and words. Erase unconscious negative gestures you may unknowingly display. Choose your gestures consciously. Smile, show your teeth, and relax your face. Stand, sit, and walk confidently with a straight back and firm steps. Be 100% strong with infinite potential always. Let's erase ancestral feelings of inadequacy and unworthiness. Remove self-criticism and weakness, replacing them with strength and confidence. how you treat yourself, express yourself, and present yourself to the world. Strong enough to think, feel, speak, and convey with conviction that you're special, important, worthy, and enough. Strong enough to accept that others treat you the way you treat yourself. Strong to recognize that others perceive how you see yourself. If you think you're unattractive, they will too. Strong with 100% infinite potential all the time, with endless possibilities. Strong enough to laugh at yourself, life, and circumstances. Strong to relax, let go of self-pressure, and release the fear of rejection. Strong enough to laugh at your failures, shortcomings, and unmet goals. Strong to try, do, and achieve as many times as necessary. Strengthen both your right and left brain hemispheres, balancing them and erasing weaknesses, keeping them centered and stable. Be strong in your persistence and perseverance towards what you want, desire, and need. Remember, mediocre people aren't attractive. Be 100% strong with infinite potential all the time, forever. Speak assertively, directly, and genuinely without pretense or omission. Erase fears of rejection, criticism, judgment, and mockery, including ancestral and past life memories. Reduce these fears to zero, permanently and infinitely. Take pride in your appearance, cleanliness, and how you present yourself. Be bold in trying new styles, shapes, colors, and trends. Reinvent and rejuvenate yourself with what you have right now. Strong desire to look and feel better, always striving for improvement. 100% potential, infinite time, maximizing every moment of life. Grooming daily, not just for special occasions, but as a habit. Being your best self always, in appearance, actions, speech, and thoughts. Having clear passions, hobbies, and interests, actively pursuing them. Finding joy and spreading happiness through personal interests, living an impactful life, helping others, growing in all aspects. Creating an appealing lifestyle that draws others in naturally. Embracing 100% potential, using every moment to its fullest. An idle, lonely person repels. An active, fulfilled one attracts. Strong enough to design your life as you want, with empowering habits that make you proud, give you conviction, self-confidence, security, strength, health, and boost your income. Strong at 100% with infinite potential, all the time with endless possibilities. Strong enough to value, respect, care for, nurture, pamper, and pleasure yourself. Strong enough to share this with others, connecting with people who treat you the same way. Strong enough to be your authentic self. Let's remove the accumulated effect of living this and other lives, pretending, hiding, deceiving, and acting as it causes distrust in others. We erase it completely, 100% of the time, infinitely. Strong enough to maintain a positive and relaxed attitude. Strong enough to trust in life, in yourself, and in your own path. Strong enough to be aware of your strengths and weaknesses, balancing your light and shadow sides. Strong enough to pursue daily self-discovery that increases your self-confidence. Let's eliminate defensive behaviors, both verbal and non-verbal, as they are unappealing. We'll erase the irrational fear of rejection as it leads to mistakes that push people away. We'll completely eliminate this fear 100% of the time for eternity. Build strong confidence in your body, mind, and spirit. Stay strong to maintain a dignified gaze full of value and self-assurance. Communicate strongly with kindness and respect. Be strong and neutral to others' opinions, whether positive or negative. Recognize and showcase your best qualities that outshine any flaws. Be strong in your authenticity, both to yourself and others. Eliminate the fear of rejection, criticism, and judgment. Listen attentively without judging or offering unsolicited advice. Be strong to listen and value what others confide in you. Be strong to read people beyond their actions, words, and movements. Be strong in giving and receiving. Be strong to give generously, trusting in your abundance without expecting returns. A stingy or abusive person repels everyone. Be strong to leave a positive impression on those who approach you. Be strong to connect from your highest self with others' highest selves. Be strong to give affection, support, recognition, and inspiration to others. Let's eliminate the misconception that you must receive before giving. Let's remove the limiting effect of this belief on you. 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Be strong to convey confidence through your body language. Speak powerfully yet with kindness, compassion, and respect. Be bold in discussing intelligent, emotional, and joyful topics. Let's eliminate the buildup of sharing fears and negativity. We erase it completely for all time without exception. Strengthen your mental, physical, and spiritual intelligence. Cultivate a passion for learning and embracing life's lessons. Be ambitious, creative, and skilled in communication. Find joy in simple things. Happiness is truly attractive. Strive for self-reliance to avoid toxic dependencies. Be strong to choose your style based on your taste, regardless of others' opinions. Be strong to express gratitude often. People like those who are grateful, not ungrateful. Be strong to inspire and motivate others, to guide and lead by example. Be strong to see, discuss, feel, and cherish life's beautiful moments. Be strong to help others selflessly, embracing generosity, abundance, and love. Be strong to feel both same and different, changing yet constant in perception. Be strong for all that is positive and negative, embracing both sides. Be strong to have or lack appeal, to have much, little, or nothing at all. Be strong to change quickly or slowly, or remain neutral as needed. We enhance inner and outer dynamics, boundaries, and vertices to 100%, unlocking infinite potential all the time, forever. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and realign your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? Any different?